Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you are making money as usual. So in today's video, I'm gonna be requesting my payout with FundingPips. It's gonna be a $5,000 payout. And beside that, as I'm making this video, FundingPips has a 20% off for Valentine's Day, right? So if you want to buy an account, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX. You can get a 50k account for as little as $175. So go and tell your girlfriend or tell your boyfriend that to buy you your Valentine gift should have been a FundingPips account. So go ahead and purchase it right now, right? So without further ado, let's get into my screen and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to request a payout, because FundingPips made they made some changes to the way you can request payout. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can get free signal from me as well, right? So let's get into it. I'm currently on my FundingPips dashboard. As you can see, I have 4 accounts right here, and this 4 account I have last week I got a $3,000 payout from, so this is gonna be my second payout on the account. So let's go ahead and click on reward section, and then we click on request reward. FundingPips has a new reward interface where you have all your account right here with the profit split and how much money you can withdraw from each account. So in this case, let's choose this first account right here, and once you do choose reward amount, you choose how much you want to withdraw. You can choose to withdraw all the profit you've made, or you can also choose to withdraw some of the profit you've made. If let's say you make $5,000 on your 50k account, and you can choose to maybe withdraw 3,000 and leave the 2,000, and that 2,000 will be added to your overall drawdown. So you can, it allows you to grow your account overall drawdown basically. So in this case, I'm just gonna do max, and then below here is the payout method, right? So for me, I always like getting my payout through Rise, so I'm gonna choose what? Rise. Okay, and here we have the option to transfer some of our payout directly to trading account, which is actually a broker being run by FundingPips, right? So you can choose how much of a percentage you can directly deposit to your broker's account and trade with it. So in this case, you have the option from 20, 40, 60, or you can even put a custom amount if you wanted to, right? So in this case, me, I'm gonna do 20%, so that means that 20% of my payout will directly be sent to my broker's account. And what is the advantage of you doing that? When you do deposit this way, then directly you'll have a 20% bonus on the deposit you are doing. So since I'm doing 20% is gonna be $200 added to my trading account, but then since I have a 20% bonus, I'm gonna get about $240 deposited. So you have 20% more when you send that amount directly to your trading account, which allows you to trade directly when you get, and since a broker, you can withdraw anytime you want, right? So in this case, you're gonna do 20%, and then let's see. And yes, there's another option here which I didn't even see. You can choose to buy a new challenge with the payout you're getting. So if you choose it, you'll have 5% off from that challenge you're buying. So you can choose maybe buy another 50k to step pro, or but since I already have enough account, I'll just leave this one on but off. But if you want another account, you can just choose this option. And once you do all of this, you have to click on read the term, and then you read all of this term. You make sure that like you've read all of this, and then you click on accept. Once you do click on accept, you click on claim my reward, right? So once you do click on claim my reward, then the payout has been submitted. The payout is processed. What? Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see, the payout is processed within seconds. The payout is processed. Oh my god, FundingPips, what are you doing? And as you can see here, the deposit also made to my trading account. You can see $200 plus the $40. So I'm gonna get 40%, bro. And no way. You guys have all the reason to trade with FundingPips. The only Propfirm that's gonna process your payout within seconds. Right now, I'm just waiting for the I'm just waiting for Rise to send my money. I don't know how long Rise is gonna take, but yeah, the payout has been processed. So let's go ahead and request the remaining. What? I couldn't believe how fast I got this money paid out to me, bro. What? Oh my god. Alright, so let's go ahead and request the remaining. Yeah, since I already sent $200 of my payout, I don't have to send for every single one of them. So I'll just show you guys once I start trading the account. So I click here, confirm, and then the payout method is gonna be rise, and then claim my reward. It's very, very simple too. I mean, request payout with FundingPips basically. For which account did I just do here? I didn't even. Oh, which of the account was it? Change 09010. Bro, I can't tell. Eligible. Okay, I think it's this one that is left for me to do it. So I'm gonna do all, and then confirm reward. Oh, I didn't choose rise. Confirm. Bro, I'm getting paid within seconds, bro. And no way. Okay, this is the only one left. Confirm. Then choose this one. Payout method is gonna be rise. And then this. And then confirm. It took it second. Did they bring back my account? My account is back to break even. My account is literally back to break even. You guys see here. This was my last payout, $900, and this week another 1,400. Bro, no way. I cannot. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. Did Rise already send my money? I don't know how long Rise gonna take. Rise just paid me. Oh my god. Rise. Oh my god, the payment is already in Rise. Oh my god. Oh my god, all of them got processed. All of my payout got processed within minutes, bro. All my payout got processed within minutes, bro. Oh my god. I truly have no idea what you guys doing trading with another Propfirm. By the way, the Valentine discount is still on. Use the coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna get 20% off. What? Oh my god. What? Anyway, yeah, I even forgot I was making a YouTube video because I couldn't wrap my head around this thing. Bro, all my payout got processed within 1 minute, bro. Second. Like, these are the 4 payout I requested. Look, this. Oh my god. Wait, I want to check something. And I got all of them to my rise. Do you guys see that? I got all the payout 1, 2, 3, 4. Why did I receive so many rise emails? Did they send me more than expected? That would be so fun. But look at the minute. Look at this. Oh my god. Now let's check something. I'm gonna log into my trading account. By the way, you can sign up to trading, link below this video. You have to sign up to trading using the same email you use for your FundingPips account if you want this to work. Alright, so let me try to log in and let's see. I got it. I got them. Where is it? This is my account before, so I got it. This is the deposit right here. You can see that it's $200, and since the bonus you cannot withdraw, you can only trade with it. There's a bonus of $40 added here. They are serious. Yeah, by the way, if you guys want to join my Signal group, which the same Signal I've sent this one to my members here, it was all the way up. Where is it? Yeah, all the way here. The Signal is here, and as you can see, currently is running. If you want to take the same Signal as me, it's gonna cost you about $47 to join. Okay, but in case if you want to join for free, there's also a way, but for that you have to DM me on Telegram for me to show you how to do that. So see you guys on my next trading content.